Hey everyone, another self-isolation bonus video. On the Layout tab in Drawing Mode, there's this command to create a revolved view, and revolved views take a cross-section and then revolve it 90 degrees from a parent view. Let's take a look at how to create this. And first I'm going to need to jump into this part and create a couple more cross-sections that I want to use. So let's jump down to its particular model. And I'm going to create a couple cross sections, and one cross section is going to be through the neck of this feature, and another one is going to be halfway through this sort of like pad over here. So let's start off. I'm going to create a datum plane at the midplane of the pad. So I'll go to the plane command and then select one surface. Rotate the model, hold down the control key and select this surface. Now I've got a mid-plane there, and it displays big on the computer screen, so you can always go to the display tab, adjust the outline, and I like to use reference, and I'll just pick this particular surface. And that way the datum plane is adjusted to be slightly bigger than that. And let me call this my mid, for lack of a better name. Now I'll click the OK button. And let me turn on my datum plane display. That plane is still selected. Oops. Oh, still selected. I almost deselected it. Let's go to the section tab and choose planar. And let's turn on the display of hatching on that surface. Let me go to the properties tab. I already have a cross section A, so this is going to be cross section B. And I'll hit the check mark. Let's right click on the section so that I can edit the hatching, and let's make it denser on there. Kind of don't like the angle. Let's play around with a different angle. There, I like that much better. So that's good. Let's click the OK button, and that's my first cross section for the revolved view. Now I can deactivate and turn off the display of the hatching. Let's create another planar section. So this time I'll go to planar, and I'll pick this surface, and let's drag it through in here some value. Value of 25 should be good. Double click on the number and enter that in there. And once again, I am going to turn on the display of the hatching. Let's go to properties and name this section C. Hit the check mark. And once again, edit the hatching. There we go, that's good. Click the OK button. Now I've got my second section created. Let's deactivate and turn off the display of the hatching. I don't need my datum planes visible anymore, so let's turn off their display as well. Now let's hop over to the drawing. Go to the drop down, change over to my drawing. Let's start off with a general view, no combined state. Drop the view over here. I have a saved view called side that I want to use. Let's click the OK button and then move this over a little bit. Then I will right click and create a projection view over here for this particular view. And this is the one that I'm going to use for creating the revolved view. So I will click on the revolved view command. Now it asks me to select a parent view for the revolved section. I'll select this one. Center point for the drawing view, I'll pick over here. And right now it is prompting me to use section B. I could choose section C instead, see how that one would look. And I say, hey, yeah, that one is good. Let's click the OK button for that one. And then I can drag it down in here a little closer. Now let's add in another revolved view. Again, pick the parent view and then left click for the center of the drawing view. And for this one, for the cross section, oops, it's not giving me any of them. Let's cancel out and try it again. Let us now click revolved view. Select it. Oh, you know what? I think I accidentally selected the revolved view. Let me make sure that I am getting the original parent view. Let me see. Let me cancel out of the command, figure out which this view is. There's the revolved. Okay, this is the view that I want to be revolved off of. Let's click Revolved View. Let me pick it right out of the model, the drawing tree instead. And the center point for the drawing view I'll pick about over here. This one is using section B. That's good. Let's click the OK button. And I'll drag this one down a little bit more onto the sheet. And so in that way, you can create these different revolved views as well. And I'll be honest, I've never used a revolved view in my career. If you've used a revolved view, if you have a better explanation of their uses, please write it in the comment section. Also, only about 20% of the people who watch my videos are subscribed. You'd really be helping me out if you subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Thank you very much, and have a great day.